So if your two-wheel drive car can't drift and you're struggling to turn, you're probably lacking a lot of grip in the front. So that's where these Duratrax 6-pack come in handy, because you can move your front wheels up and get a lot more traction. And also these Duratrax have loads of grip. So the Rustler is back in action. It's kept overheating and I think it burned out the motor. So I got a new one for free because of warranty. That's a 1-year warranty. Look at that, amazing turning. That's on wet grass, by the way. Oh man, this is so much more fun to drive like this. Like, this is a lot more fun to drive than stock. Or, if you're a subscriber, you might know that I have slash tires normally. And this is a lot better than that as well. And maybe if you're familiar with the Duratrax 6-pack X that I have on my X-Max, those are belted. These are not belted. So I'd recommend that you glue the rim with a little bit of liquid glue, like Loctite liquid glue. But that stuff is really strong, so do not get it anywhere else if you don't want it there, because it is really, really strong. Oh. Yes. Please. Yes. That's close. That's really close. If you want to have more backflips, you gotta have more spinning mass in your tires. And these are pretty light, like actually. Normally, you would see that they had loads of screws in those little holes there, but I took them out because I don't want to destroy my differential or break something else because of excess weight that no one needs. Boom! Like, this thing is so fun. It's really, that's a lot of grip. Like, for a two-wheel drive car, to have that much grip is kind of unheard of. Not really, but be quiet. See, it has so much grip on the front tires that it's actually picking up dirt on the turns. Wow, this is awesome. Oh, that was close. That was so close. Still made it though. Something is dead. Oh, I really hope it's not the diff. Please don't be the diff. Please don't be the diff. Please just be the slipper or something stupid like that. Okay, let's check if it's the diff. And it's the diff. Okay, well, that didn't last long. Man, that really sucks. Like, come on, really? Okay, well, it works for now. Okay, well, it works. It works though. Is it the diff? Is it dead? Well, apparently it's not the diff. I don't know what the heck that was. Oh, there it goes. There it goes. Why does this always happen to me? That was definitely the diff. Yeah, that's just spinning. This one is just having all the grip. What the heck? Okay. Makes me kind of angry because I've gotten into that transmission to fix that diff about 20 times. And I'm kind of sick of it. So if this keeps happening anymore, I might just get rid of this car altogether. Because that is just not, that's not fun anymore. Just fixing it every single time. So, hope you like this video. Hope you laugh at my expense. See you guys later. Comment, like, and subscribe. Bye.